Water recreation is both fun and therapeutic. However, it involves inherent risks of injury and death. Before assembling your spa, please read all of the instructions and safety warnings in your owner's manual. The guidelines in our instruction manual do not replace the need to exercise common sense. Stay alert and take all precautions required for keeping everyone safe when using your spa. Continuous and competent adult supervision of children and the handicapped is required at all times. Always use layers of protection when using this product. To purchase INTEX parts and accessories, or for questions about INTEX products, visit our website at www.intexcorp.com. Thank you for purchasing an INTEX spa. Your family will enjoy a new dimension of fun, sharing, and relaxation. As the owner of the spa, you need to be aware of the risks associated with this type of equipment. There is a risk of accidental drowning, and extreme caution must be exercised to prevent unauthorized access by children. To avoid accidents, ensure that children cannot use the spa unless they are closely supervised at all times. There is a risk of hair and body suction entrapment, requiring special attention to proper use of the suction outlets and pump. There is also the risk of injury and electrical shock, requiring specific safety precautions such as GFCI or RCD protection, maintaining the proper distance from electrical appliances, etc. Read the manual carefully for full details on necessary precautions and to understand and avoid these risks. It is very important to follow all the warnings and safety guidelines. Please follow the instructions shown in this video and in the manual for proper installation and safe usage of your spa. Your PureSpa bubbles may be set up outdoors or inside. However, it is important to determine ahead of time where to set up your spa, since the spa cannot be moved once it is filled with water. If the spa is set up outside, check your local and state safety regulations. The spa must be set up on a level area free of obstructions. The spa must be at least 4 meters from the electrical outlet. The spa control unit electrical cord must be able to reach a GFCI or RCD protected electrical outlet without using an extension cord. Follow the instructions in the manual to test the equipment using the GFCI RCD buttons on the plug. Do not use the spa if the GFCI RCD outlet is not functioning properly. Disconnect the power cord until the fault has been identified and corrected. GFCI RCD protected circuits must be tested before each use of the spa. When you have determined where to set up your spa, move the spa without dragging to your selected area and lay out all the parts to become familiar with the equipment. To begin setting up your spa, bolt the control panel unit onto the spa control base with the provided bolts and wrench. Spread the insulated ground pad, bubbles face down, over the cleared area. Lay out the spa over the ground pad, with the drain valve pointed in a suitable direction for drainage. Move the spa control unit and base to the side of the spa with the connectors marked A, B, and C. This will be where you have positioned the spa drain. Remove the control unit back panel. Unscrew the air valve cap in the upper right corner of the unit and set it aside. You will need the short black inflation hose to fill your spa with air. Locate the inflation valve on the outside of the spa and remove the cap, leaving the stem in the up position. Insert the smaller end of the inflation hose, the end with the black fitting, into the valve in the spa wall. Turn the fitting clockwise to lock it into position. Slide the other end of the hose, the end with the larger gray fitting, into the control unit air valve. Turn it clockwise until it locks. Plug the spa control unit into a GFCI or RCD electrical outlet and turn the electric pump on by pressing the on-off switch. Press the bubble button to activate the inflation pump. Air will begin flowing from the control unit through the inflation hose into the spa. Inflate the tub for 6 to 8 minutes. Do not overinflate or use high-pressure air. When the top of the spa is firm, but not hard to the touch, press the control unit bubble button to turn off the pump. Disconnect the inflation hose from the spa. Attach the pressure gauge to the air valve in the spa wall to see if the spa tub has been properly inflated. The pressure gauge indicator should be in the green area. If overinflated, release some air by pressing the back end of the pressure gauge. If more air is needed, repeat the previous steps. When the spa has been properly inflated, replace the spa air valve cap, giving it a turn to the right. Hand tighten only. Do not use excessive force. Inflate the spa cover air bladder through the valve under the cover in the same manner as you have inflated the spa. When properly inflated and the cover is firm but not hard to the touch, again press the control unit bubble button to turn off the pump. Disconnect the hose from the cover and close the cover air valve firmly. Disconnect the hose from the control unit and replace the cap on the control unit air valve. Attach the spa control unit to the tub by matching connectors marked A, B, and C. Hand tighten securely. Replace the back cover of the control unit by sliding it straight down until it slips into place. Never move the spa tub with the control unit attached, as this will damage the connection fittings. Attach the filter cartridge housing assembly, items 12, 13, and 14, to the outlet grid marked C on the spa wall. Before filling the spa, ensure that the bottom drain caps are securely closed inside and out. Fill the spa with fresh water from a garden hose to a level between the minimum and maximum indicators marked on the inside of the spa wall. Never pour water hotter than 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit directly into the spa. It is recommended to fill the spa with lukewarm water for quick heating and energy saving. Make sure the spa is plugged into a grounded electrical outlet and press the on-off button on the control panel to turn on the spa. The control panel displays the temperature in either Celsius, which is the default, or Fahrenheit. Press the Celsius-Fahrenheit button to choose between them. Activate the heating and filter systems by pressing the flame button. The red flame light and the green filter light will illuminate. The water will begin to heat up and the filtration system will begin working. Press either of the temperature control arrows to adjust the temperature up or down. The LED will flash as you adjust the temperature. Initial heat up will take 12 to 16 hours. The flame light will change from red to green when the set temperature is reached and the heater will turn off. The filtration system runs for 24 hours. When the spa is being used regularly, you may find it cost-effective to keep the heater on at a moderate temperature between uses. The bubble light will turn on when the bubble function is activated. The bubble function will stop automatically after 30 minutes. Do not run the bubble feature with the cover in place. It can cause irreparable damage and bodily harm. The display will also flash an LED code if a problem is detected. It is advisable to become familiar with these codes. See the owner's manual for further details. Before entering the spa, measure the temperature of the water with an accurate thermometer since the tolerance of water-regulating devices varies. The water in your spa should never exceed 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures between 38 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and 40 degrees Celsius are considered safe for healthy adults. Use lower temperatures for soaks of more than 10 minutes and for children. Never use the spa alone or allow others to use the spa alone. Pregnant and possibly pregnant women should consult a physician before using the spa. There is a high risk of fetal damage from excessive water temperatures during the early months of pregnancy. Use should not exceed 10 minutes and water temperatures should not exceed 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The use of alcohol, drugs, or medications may lead to unconsciousness and drowning. Persons using medications should consult a physician before using the spa, since some medications induce drowsiness. Obese persons and those with a history of heart disease, low or high blood pressure, and circulation and diabetes should consult a physician before use. Exit the spa immediately if you become uncomfortable, dizzy, or sleepy. Spa heat can cause hypothermia and unconsciousness. The use of alcohol, drugs, or medications can greatly increase the risk of hypothermia. Hypothermia effects include failure to perceive heat and unawareness of the impending hazard and the need to exit the spa. Always unplug the spa for servicing or maintenance procedures. Refer to the maintenance section in the owner's manual for details. Maintaining the proper chemical balance in the spa is very important for spa life and safe water. Follow the chemical maker's instructions to avoid hazards. Do not add chemicals when the spa is occupied. Add chemicals separately to the spa. You may wish to activate the bubbler to help dissolve and distribute the chemicals. Use the included floating dispenser to add chlorine. Maintain the spa pH level between 7.2 and 7.8 ppm, alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm, and free chlorine between 3 and 5 ppm. See the test strip package for instructions. Change the filter every week and spa water every 2 to 3 months. Refer to the maintenance section in the owner's manual for details. When the spa is not being used, always place the spa cover bladder over the spa to avoid potentially dangerous situations and to keep children out of the spa when supervision is not available. To secure the spa, pull the buckle straps tight. Always attach the spa cover and lock the buckles when the spa is not in use. Maintain a safe spa and enjoy years of happy use.